What we have with us today is a new release from the Hardoll stable, the 62 LED outdoor solar lamp. I purchased this off Amazon and the price is around Rs 1999. Here's the main box the lamp comes in. Listed on the box are the specifications of the lamp. The solar lamp is similar to earlier lamps I have reviewed, which have a motion sensing mode. But the main difference is that the sensor on this device has a microwave radar sensing unit, which physically is not visible on the device. And the older ones that I had have the PIR sensors, which are white and semicircular in shape. So here we have the lamp out of the box. Included in the box are the main lamp, an instruction manual and mounting screws. The manual is in English and describes all the features modes on the lamp. Here's the lamp. It has the ABS plastic build as with most lamps available. On the front are 26 outer warm white LEDs, basically yellow in color, and 36 LEDs which illuminate in a cool white color. On top is a big solar panel that charges up the included 3.2 volt 4400 mAh lithium iron phosphate battery. The solar panel has a rating of 5.5 volts at 2 watts and the efficiency is 19%, which is quite good. Before use, it is recommended to charge the lamp for 6 hours so that the battery has a full charge. This is done by either installing or placing the lamp in a location with access to direct sunlight. Behind the lamp is a push button switch, which is used to turn it on or off. Even when the lamp is on during the day, it stays off as long as there is light around. At night, the 26 LEDs illuminate in dim mode with a warm white color. When someone approaches the lamp or enters the sensing area, which is around 10 meters, these 36 cool white LEDs also illuminate on top of the 26 LEDs. After the people leave, in 20 or 30 seconds, the lamp returns to the dim warm white mode again. So let's check the detection range and sensitivity. This being a microwave radar sensor, it's supposed to have a 360-degree detection angle and detection distance of around 10 meters, which if true is quite impressive. So let's check out how it detects from the side and also straight on. Wow, it's really good. The lamp brightness is also quite good. As you can see in the video, it's illuminating this whole area and this is the only lamp installed here. The lamp is waterproof with a IP65 rating and it also has a protective case which will protect it from the elements. It's supposed to withstand years of rain, snow, ice and wind. The main feature of solar lamps I like is that no wiring is required. As long as it has access to sunlight, the lamp should be able to keep its batteries topped up. Also being weatherproof with an IP65 rating, it is meant to be installed outdoors to light up your garden, doorways, backyards, driveway, patio or walkways. So if you're trying to install lights in a location you don't want to draw wires to and the area has access to direct sunlight, a solar lamp is the best option. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching and see you all later. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added.